Hi everybody, just wanted to do a quick video. The market's closed. Wanted to show you what I was seeing this morning. Got up and started taking a look at the chart at 9:25 Eastern, and this is what I saw. The Asian high and the Asian low. Asian high and the London high pretty much closed at the top, pretty much together. Asian low closed significantly higher than the London low. So I wanted to see where the market was coming, because it looked like it was starting to pull back a little bit at 9:25. So what I did is I drew a fib line from the London high to the London low and looked at my 61.8% line. Okay, there's my London high, London low. The pullback was 2183.75. I thought that looked a little bit high, so what I did sometimes, and this is sometimes what I'll do, I'll draw it from the low, the London low, to the London high, and it gives me a pullback of 2182.50. Okay, now I've got a pullback. I've got a, and that's pretty close. It looks like it's going to hit it. So what I do is now I can take my downside targets from here down to here, down to the London low. And let's see where that line puts me. Line puts me down at 2176.25. Okay. So what I can do is I'll put a stop loss order, and let me go ahead and replay the chart here real fast, so we can do the simulation. Because what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you how this works. Chart's loading up here. It'll take a second. Okay, so I will get in again. Erase these guys. So I will get in at this particular point from London low to London high, and we've already come up on 926 here. So London low to London high gives me 2182.25. So I will set a stop loss, or an entry order at that particular point. Let's make sure that that drew correctly. Okay, so London low. Sorry about all this. It's extremely noisy in here. Okay, so I got a London low to London high, 2182.50. So I want to hit a maybe a point or two before that. So I want to set a sell limit order, since obviously the market's going down. Everything's trending down. The Asian market opened, now trended down. The London market opened, popped up, trended down. So it's very reasonable to expect that the U.S. market's going to do that: open up and then trend down. So let me. I don't know why that did that. Did not want to get in there. I wanted to get in up here. I want to do a sell limit order up here. Okay, there we go. Let me move that down a couple of ticks, just in case. Okay, so we've got a sell limit order at 2182, and let me get these lines out of the way. Now I'll draw another fib from here down to my low. Here's my London low. So 2176.75. Okay. This is for you folks that want to do a real quick trade. You want to get in. You don't want to spend a whole lot of time in the market. You got other stuff to do with your day, and so you want to get out. So I'll set it at a couple of ticks above this. Okay, so we're 2 ticks above it. So let's move our thing. Let's move our chart here. So our chart says we're into 2182 and 2177. So that's what, about 5 points. That's 20 ticks. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Okay, so let's play the chart and see what happens. As you'll notice, it kind of here we go. The chart comes up. Let me speed this up just a little bit until we get our fill. So we're at that limit, and we should pop up. I could set it. I could set it up down another tick, but I think it's gonna pop up there and fill it. Usually, if it violates the 20 SMA, it usually will hit the 50 MA or just before it, and then start back down. So let's record it and let's see what happens. Okay, bam, we're in. We're in. At this point, we're taking, let's see how much heat we're gonna take here. We should take a couple of ticks worth of heat because the market will pop up back up to that, sometimes it'll pop up at the 50 MA line. And in this particular case, there's a lot of pressure sell, a lot of downside pressure selling. Okay, so here we go. And we're, reminder, we're only on one contract. So, double your pleasure, double your fun, double your contracts. Of course, it's more risky if you do that. So, okay, so we're at 934. Let's speed this up just a little bit. Let's go up to 30, and you can see what happens. Boom! It goes right down, and bam! Hits the target. 19 ticks. Okay, that's not bad for a 10-minute trade. 10-minute trade, you got 19 ticks out of this guy, and you're looking at so let's see, 19 times 1250, $237.50. So you'd have made $500 basically on 2 contracts. Not a bad morning's work for 10 minutes? For 10 minutes worth of work, less than 10 minutes. Anyway, see you next time and talk to you later. Have a good day. Trade green.